friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Hema, and if you're new to my channel, I make videos on travel, photography, research and motherhood. And today's topic, I'm going to show you a good organization system for documentation, and it is this one. I love this product, and I'm going to show you what is the best way to organize and how I organize my documents. If you're someone who lives out of the home country, over a period of years you'll accumulate several immigration related documents and you want to keep them all together, and finding a good organization system is something that I've struggled with, and finally I've been able to find my perfect organization system for documents. So this video is all about that. I'm sure you may have seen these kind of document organizers, but these are very bad because as you can see, over a period of time they just tear apart like this. Or mostly you would be using organization systems like this, but the problem with these is that this string, it has already become loose because it's elastic. So part of what I do as my day job is to also organize documents. So I think finally I've come up with a great system for organizing documents, and I think I hit a jackpot with this one. So before I go into this one, let me tell you the cool features of this one. So first thing is it has a little pocket here in the front, and then there is D-ring binders inside this. These are the D-ring binders, and these are 2-inch binders. Usually 2-inch binders is pretty good. And then you have a shoulder strap. That is what I really love, and this is exactly what I was looking for. They've also given some index tabs here to separate various kinds of documents, and there's also these folders that are helpful. And then for keeping chargers or any small items, there is also a pocket here. Purchased this system. I actually bought a real 2-inch binder to save all my documents because one of the main disadvantage of using this system is you really cannot see what is there. And that was something that I was struggling with, and then there were so many different kinds of documents, so I wanted to see everything. That's the reason I had organized my documents in this fashion. And then recently what we had done is we had purchased these kind of sleeves, and these come in different colors. If you see here, we have arranged all our documents in different colors because now we have a daughter, so it is our documents, her documents, and over a period of years we have transitioned to so many kinds of visas that the paperwork just is humongous. So we had recently purchased these kind of colored sleeves so that we can separate each color for a person. And then we had also bought these kinds of sleeve which have like a button so that it can be closed, so that any passports or any other small items can be kept safely in this. And also another advantage of this is if you ever have to say go to a DL office to renew your license or any other small tasks, this comes in very handy. You can just take this as is. So we had already arranged all of these documents here. So now all I plan to do is just move all of those documents into this one. And there's also like a small pocket. You can actually put your passports and other things in there, and you can also put your tab in here. If you have a Apple or Samsung tag, that can also be used, that can also be placed here. You can also use this to save any pencils or pens or anything. So this system is wonderful because one thing I was really concerned with this system is that the things falling off from the top side, especially these are top loading sleeves, so I wanted to make sure that they do not fall off. So having a system where I can zip is wonderful. I really love this product. It's a Tech Gear product. It's only $16 in Costco, and I love this product. And yeah, I'll show you a picture of this in the video as well. This is multi-purpose, so you can use it for several other things as well. I'm just going to move all these documents from the white binder into this one and show how it actually looks. And this system that I bought from Office Depot, I think 10 years back, I spent like 25 bucks and it's still not as good as this product. So yes, 100 on 100 for this one. So you may not always find these products in Costco, because next week when I went to purchase the same item in Costco, I was not able to find it. So I'm sure they must have gone out of these very quickly. So you may not find these in all the locations as well. So but if you find this, I think it's worth the money.